Hello and welcome to Life Coach Sites Made Easy. I have another tutorial for you, and this one is how to adjust a page layout. So let's get started. Before we go into the specific page and start making adjustments to the layout, if you want to make global page settings, I'm just going to go over here and show you where to get to that. You just go over to under Content, right? You would just go under Visual Customizer, click on that. Now you'll see your home page will show up and you can make all kinds of different settings. These are all going to be global settings for the entire site. Now, if we come over here to the global button there, then you can come over here to all these different ones if you want to change all the buttons, colors, typography, and in this case, container. Now, this is where you can make adjustments to the full width, max width, padded, fluid, all that, and you can use this drag and drop bar here. You can also use the layout button here, the drag down, or the drop-down menu, and make it content boxed, full width, contained, stretch, or boxed. And you can make custom blog post layouts. So this is where you would make your adjustments globally on the website. So now we're back into our page editor. We are on the home page here and under the test site. We're going to scroll down here to a section. Now this whole thing right here is a section, right? Until you get to another piece right here, you can see the box outline there. We have a separator right here. So then I consider this a new section, and this would be a new section. So we're going to look at just focus on this section right here. Now you have this section here, and then you have different rows. Each one of these is a row inside of your section. And then you have columns, right? So if we wanted to add another row or column in here, we could just come up here right here under rows. And then if we wanted to add a single column, right, inside of this row, then what we could do is just grab this box here and then we could throw it right here. Can actually make it part of inside of that specific row, or we can actually have it all by itself right here. So then now, right now, if we wanted to see what this section is right here, we can actually look over here and see that this is a UABB info box. So what we're going to do is we're going to, a couple different things we can do. We can either come up here and hover over this. If we wanted another piece like this, we can actually push the duplicate box and it will actually duplicate it. So then we can actually come down here, click on it, and we could make adjustments, right? And you can make more adjustments here. And then further, you can actually add, this is why this is a really cool box, because it gives you different layers of text. Add more here. And that would actually show up down there. And there's our text right there. Sometimes you need to push the actual save button in order for things to actually appear live on the screen for you. So you can add more. If you had something where you wanted to put two images in right here, right? All you'd have to do is just grab the two columns right here, throw the two column widget in there, and then right here you can actually go back to modules and then grab a photo and drag that photo right inside of that new column that we just added. And then that's where you could come in here and click the photo settings box and then come over here to select photo, add your image, then repeat the process. Go over here, grab photo, and throw that into your new column because you had a two column inside of the row. Then click on photo settings, select photo, we'll grab another photo. Select photo, and we have our two photos right there. Next, what you can do, if you wanted to if you had this right here and you actually wanted that to be above here, all you have to do is just hover over, grab the move button, and then drag it up above that. And now you can easily move these around to where you want them, right? So we wanted this picture moved up, we could actually move it up to the top over there, just like so. Now if we wanted to change the width, right? So you can actually drag and drop this, move it to the left or the right to make it wider or make it skinnier. So you can practice doing that once you get it where you'd like. There's another way that you can do this as well, which is once you click on this, you can come over here and you can click on the edit column. And one thing you can do is if you wanted to reset the row, or you can duplicate the column, you can reset the row width right here and it will just reset it. Then you can also come up here to the section up here and click on the row settings. And then from here, you can actually make adjustments from this menu over here as well. You can do fixed. You can click on this and drag and drop from here. You can also do it from here. And what this is doing is adjusting the entire section here, right? So that entire area is being adjusted, right? And then just push save when you are ready and you like where it's at. So I hope that that helps with how you can adjust layouts, move things around, add more columns to your row, and create new sections. If you have trouble with any of this, please contact support and we'll be happy to help you out. See you in our next tutorial.